In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scrape anything with N8n using Apify, a full guide designed to make web scraping accessible and efficient. Whether you're new to web scraping or looking to streamline your process, this walkthrough will help you get started. First, let's head over to the AI Workflow Automation Platform and Tools, N8n. If you haven't visited N8n before, it's a powerful automation tool that allows you to streamline your digital workflows with ease. You'll be using this platform to connect to Apify, a service that's fantastic for scraping data off the web. Next, you'll need to sign in. If you don't already have an account, now would be a great time to create one. Signing in is straightforward. Just click on Sign In, and you can use your preferred method to log in securely. Once you're on the N8n dashboard, you'll be greeted by a clean interface where you can manage all your workflows. This dashboard is your control center, and from here, you can start creating your web scraping workflow. Before moving further, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout to make future navigation smooth and intuitive. Now, it's time to create a new workflow. This is where the magic happens. Click on Create Workflow, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can start building the process. Think of this step as setting up a blank canvas where you'll piece together your scraping automation. After creating your workflow, the next step is adding nodes. Nodes are the building blocks of automation in N8n. Each node represents an action or a data processing step. Click Add Nodes, and you'll uncover a vast library of possibilities. We're specifically interested in adding a node for Apify. Apify acts as your web scraper, collecting data efficiently from any online source you specify. In the search bar, type Apify to pull up the related node. Once you find it, go ahead and add it to your workflow. This node is going to be the heart of the scraping operation. Once you've set up the Apify node, you're well on your way to scraping data from your target websites. At this point, you'll configure it with the specific parameters needed for your data scraping tasks. Make sure you have the correct URLs and specifications so that Apify can retrieve exactly what you need. To cap it off, always remember to save your workflow. This ensures all your hard work remains intact, and your scraping process can be run as needed. With this system in place, you've now transformed a manual and often tedious task into an efficient, automated process. And that's it. You've learned how to harness the power of N8n and Apify to scrape data from across the web. Continue exploring all N8n features to further enhance your workflows. Happy scraping!